I don't think you can make a bigger decision as you're launching a strategic approach to community engagement than to pick the right launch partner. We've certainly done that, and we're really proud and honored to be here.
One thing that excites me the most about partnering with Rebuilding Together is we're going to be able to make an impact throughout the nation. For us, it's about repairing homes, revitalizing communities.
Evolve is a hospitality company for vacation rentals. Our culture has been very deliberately, intentionally architected and developed over years, and very much by our entire team.
This is such a great chance for us all to come together and support our local communities.
It's just good that we all can come out together from Evolve and clearly make such a difference.
One thing that I think has shown up in their participation are some of our values. The most front and center one for me is care. And we hear from our teammates that it's part of giving back outside of Evolve that also makes them connect within Evolve. And that's what really strengthens the culture over time.
To see everyone out here with their sleeves rolled up and really getting to work and actually pouring that energy that we have as a company and as a culture into our local communities, it brings it all to life.